Respected viewers, welcome to the new video of General Knowledge series. And today video we will discuss about the old names of the countries. So let us get started. The first one is the old name of Thailand was Siam, and Siam was changed into Thailand in 1939. Next is the old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. The old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon, and the name Ceylon was changed into Sri Lanka in 1972. Next one is the old name of Zimbabwe was Southern Rhodesia. The old name of Zimbabwe was Southern Rhodesia, and the name Southern Rhodesia was changed into Zimbabwe in 1980. Next one is the old name of Taiwan was Formosa. The old name of Taiwan was Formosa, and the name Formosa was changed into Taiwan in 1945. Next one is the old name of Netherlands was Holland. The old name of Netherlands was Holland, and this name was changed in 2020. Before 2020, Netherlands and Holland were used interchangeably. Next one is the old name of Iran was Persia. The old name of Iran was Persia, and Persia was changed into Iran in 1935. Next one is Iraq and Turkey. So, the old name of Iraq was Mesopotamia. The name Mesopotamia was changed into Iraq in 1992. Next one is the old name of Turkey was Turkey, and the name Turkey was adopted in 1923. Before 1923, it was known as the Ottoman Empire, and now Turkey is changed into Turkey in 2021. It's just a change of spelling. Next one is the old name of Myanmar was Burma. The old name of Myanmar was Burma, and the name Burma was changed into Myanmar in 1989. Next one is the old name of Cambodia was Democratic Cambodia, and the name Democratic Cambodia was changed into Cambodia in 1989. Both of these countries' name were changed in 1989. So these two are common. Next one is Bangladesh and Malaysia. The old name of Bangladesh was East Pakistan. The old name of Bangladesh was East Pakistan. East Pakistan was changed into Bangladesh in 1971. Next one is the old name of Malaysia was Malaya. The old name of Malaysia was Malaya, and Malaya was changed into Malaysia in 1963. Show your kindness by liking the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Wish you all the best.